A very good afternoon, all of you. So, how is it going? How many of you are here in the class? Let's see. So let me see who all are there. We have a session today on the topic electric current and its effects. So here we are. We have Nikunj, we have Bhavya, we have Skull Gaming. What's your name, Skull Gaming? Now next we have Ritanya. Then we have hi Ritanya, hi Nikunj, hi Bhavya. So you can quickly ask your friends to join. I have posted the link in the groups. Quickly ask them to join. And before that, please do subscribe the channel if you haven't. Yes, please guys, quickly do that. So who all are there? Now, let's see who all. Anyone else who has joined? Oh, we have 11 learners who are watching this session live, and here we are. So before we begin, let's know your educator. Your educator is me, that is Shruti Sharma, and I'm a well-qualified and experienced science teacher with an experience of over 12 years of teaching on various platforms. So I have taught in some of the renowned institutions of Delhi NCR region, and I have also been the part of some private coaching institutes. So till date, I have mentored thousands of learners for various examinations. And apart from teaching, I love to read, paint, and I am also fond of gardening and traveling. So this is your educator, Shruti Sharma. You can follow me on Unacademy app. So here, let's, before we begin, let's just quickly, within 2 minutes, let's just know that what is so special about Unacademy Plus subscription. Now, all of you, most of you are the part of Unacademy family, right? So now when you attend the live classes and you want to attend many more such classes throughout the day, and you want to get all such benefits, then you must go for Plus subscription. You know how good it is when you take the Plus subscription. You get so many live classes throughout the day, and apart from that, you also get so many things like what? Tell me, what do you get when you get weekly quizzes, you get doubt solving sessions, you get practice question sessions, and also you can be the part of test series, right? So who all are there? Let's see who all have joined us. Great. Now there are two types of subscriptions: Plus subscription and Iconic subscription. So you can learn from India's best educators. You can have interactive live classes, live tests and quizzes, and you can also get the benefit of having the creative corner. Now, if you go for Iconic subscription, apart from having all the benefits of Plus, you will be assigned a personal mentor, you will have the live doubt clearing session, you will have the Parent Connect program, and you will also be provided with a study planner. So I would recommend that you must go for this subscription, and for that you can also use my referral code, which is SHR live. All right, you can use SHR live. You will get discounts when you use this code. So how many of you are going to get this? But before that, quickly subscribe to our channel on Unacademy. So these are the pricing plans. You can see that as you move from 1 month to the longer duration subscription, then it is quite economical. It will not be too costly. All right, so I would recommend you must go for either 12 months or 24 months subscription, because if you go for that, you will get all the benefits of being a Plus subscriber. All the classes which we are having on the platform, you will be the part of that. You will get the notes, you will get the classes, you will get all test series, quizzes and everything. So please think about it and just take it, because in Unacademy you can start from scratch and you can be the master of it, right? So here we are with this. Look at this. These are the batches which are going on these days, and you can learn from India's top educators, right? Here we are. Yes, who all are there? You can write down. So we have the Eureka batches which are going on. We have many other weekend batches which are going on, where you people are being taught by, again, some of the best ones in the field. And then there are some new batches which have begun in the month of November, and they are going to be there till January, where you will be given the full syllabus classes for Hindi and English literature, right? Hi Nikunj, hi Ratanya, hi Bhavya. What is the name, Skull Gaming? What's your name? Let me know. So now let's begin our topic for today. Tell me, how many of you are ready to study? Tell me quickly, quickly. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for your replies. Tell me fast. Yes, guys. How many of you are listening to me? Yes, let me know. So today no one is writing in the chat box. Why? We will have the Menti quiz. I am good, Saksham. Hi Shantanu. Hi Zoya. Oh, there are so many messages. Nitya. All right, Nitya. Great. We have Alaknanda. Great. Yes, yes, Ritanya. You people can attend whether you are in grade 6, 7 or 8. This is a general topic. You will learn much more. All right. So let's see. Great. Hi Alaknanda, you are new to my class. I hope you have subscribed to the channel, right? And press the bell icon. So now, when we are talking about electric current and its effects, so tell me, what thing comes to your mind when we talk about electric current? Tell me, what thing comes to your mind? Who will tell me what things come to your mind? Yes, we have Menti quiz. But let's quickly learn, and then we will have the Menti quiz. So tell me fast, fast, fast. Great. Hi Saksham, you are new to my session. I hope you love it. Great. Okay, whenever you talk about the electric current, actually electric current is what? Electric current, whenever we talk about it, people must have read in grade 6 as well. So it is flow of electrons or flow of charged particles like ions, right? So we are quickly revising these topics, and then we will move on to all these things. Flow of electrical energy, right? Electric shock, light, bulb, switch, cells. Wow. So all these things come to your mind, right Sanyukta? Right Zoya? Right Satish? Great. So now please, hi Dhanishta. Great. Thank you. Oh, you have watched my Unacademy special classes. Great. So I really love to have you all in my class. So now there are few components of electric circuit. You know that. Let's learn about all these things. What is an electric cell? You all must have seen the electric cell, right? You must have used it in your remotes of the TV or the AC remotes, right? Your toys. Tell me, you are Triya. All right, Triya. So quickly tell me that where do you use these electric cells? So now when you see this electric cell, you know that it has two terminals. One is positive, one is negative, and it has some chemicals inside it. And because of these chemicals, this chemical energy can be changed into electrical energy. Right? These chemicals convert the chemical energy into electrical energy, right? So we have Shraddhanjali, we have Abhishek, right? Great. Remotes, we use it. So now, what are the features of this electric cell? As we know, it has two terminals, positive, negative, and chemical energy converts into electrical energy. Until the time we have the chemicals inside, the electric cell works, and otherwise it gets exhausted. Now, when you use more than two cells, two or more than two cells, what do you call it? Tell me, what do you call it? We call it a battery, right? You call it a battery. So this is a combination of two or more cells. Here you can see two cells, here you can see four cells. But how do we connect these cells? These cells are always connected in the way where the positive terminal of the cell gets connected to the negative terminal of another cell. So if there is one cell, let's say this is a symbol of the cell, and this is another cell, then the negative terminal will get connected to the positive terminal. We never connect the same terminals like positive, positive or negative, negative. Never. So whenever you are connecting the two cells to make a battery, always pay attention. Now, hi Neha. Yes, we have a Menti quiz. So let me just quickly explain you, and then we will move on to the Menti quiz. So here is the electric bulb. All of you must have seen the electric bulb. Though nowadays we use CFLs, compact fluorescent lights, right? But these are the bulbs which we used to use since so long, and these are the bulbs which have the hard outer glass covering and it has a metallic base. So now here you can see that there is this point. Have you seen this wire here? This tungsten. Now this tungsten wire, it is actually the filament which gets heated up. It is a filament which gets heated up, and as it heated up, it glows. And as it glows, it gives you light, right? Wow. So there are 19 students. Great. So now we will have fun while having the Menti quiz, right? How many of you are excited to have that? These are some of the basic electrical components. Like, you must be knowing what is the symbol of the cell. Cell is shown by this symbol where we have two vertical lines, one long, one short. The long line shows the positive terminal, the short line shows the negative terminal. For the bulb, you can use this symbol, or you can also use this symbol as well. So this is also the electrical appliance. Now conductor could be any wire, and you can use it any line to show that. All right. Then for the switch. Now switch could be in off position as well as on position. So for the off position, you have to show it. How? You have to show it this way, where it is not in contact. The two sides are not in contact with one another. When the switch is on, that means the circuit is completed, and for that you use this symbol. Are you clear? Are you clear? Great. So these are some of the symbols that you must know, like conductor, cell, bulb and switch. And why do you need to do that? Because if you need to make electric circuit, you can use these. Now what is electric circuit? Tell me quickly, guys. Tell me, what is electric circuit? You must have used, you must have made, right? So now it is the continuous. Continuous means there is no gap, there is no discontinuity in between, and it is a conducting path. That means where the electric current is flowing. So this continuous conducting path, which consists of wires, any electrical component like bulb, switch, etc., and cells also, right? Cell or a battery, from where do you get the electrical energy? Then you get the electric circuit. Let me show you one of the diagrams of electric circuit. Yeah, very good, Nikunj. So now this is the diagram of the electric circuit. Look at this. Now in this electric circuit, you can see there is this bulb, there is a switch, there is a battery, there are wires. But if you have to make it, then it is really difficult for you to make the diagram of the bulb, to make the diagram of the switch or the battery. So it is quite convenient if you use the symbols of these. Am I right? Tell me, am I right? If you use the symbols of these electrical components. Tell me. Oh yes, guys, yes, there are few vegetables also which are the conductors of electricity. You are perfectly right. So now when we use symbols, now look at this. That's how we make the electric circuit diagram. So here this is a symbol of the cell. Then this is the switch. This is the bulb which is in glowing position. All right, and these connectors are the conducting wires. So it becomes very easy for us to draw the electric circuit using the symbols. All right, using the symbols of the electric circuit or electrical components. What do we call these? Tell me. Bulb, cell, switch, all those things which make the electric circuit. What do we call them? We call them components of electric circuit. Tell me, what do we call them? We call them components of electric circuit, right? Right. So now here, look at this. Do you know the difference between the open circuit and closed circuit? How many of you know the difference between the open circuit and closed circuit? I will have questions in Menti quiz. So quickly let me know. How many of you know? What is the difference between the open circuit and the closed circuit? Now, look at it here. Here, if I make this circuit diagram, wait. Now let me make the circuit diagram for you, and I let you know that how it is made. Now if I make, let's say here, all right, these are the wires, this is your cell, then this is a switch, here we have the bulb, and now just connect it. All right, now make another one. Here again you have the cell, then you have the switch which is in on position, and here we have the bulb. Now tell me which one is open circuit, which one is closed. This is circuit A, this is circuit B. Which one is open, which one is closed? Who will let me know? Quickly. This one is incomplete circuit. Why? Because there is a discontinuity here. There is a gap here. It is incomplete circuit. And this incomplete circuit is called open circuit, right? And this open circuit has switch in off position. Am I clear? It has it in off position. Whereas, and here the bulb will not glow. The bulb will not glow, right? Whereas if you look at this circuit, this is a complete circuit. There is no discontinuity. So this is complete circuit. So it is called, what do we call it? Open or closed? Closed circuit, right? Very good. Oh yeah. So we call it closed circuit. Then this has the switch in on position, right? And here, because the current is flowing from positive terminal to negative terminal, so the bulb will also glow. All right, the bulb will also glow here. Are you clear? Tell me, how many of you are clear with all these? What is an open circuit? What is a closed circuit? I hope there will not be any confusion. Hi Rumna. Rumna, a closed circuit means the circuit is closed. There is no gap in between. There is no break. There is no discontinuity in between. And because of that, the circuit gets completed because the switch is on and the bulb is glowing. Whereas this open circuit means, look at this open circuit here. There is break, there is gap, there is discontinuity. All right. Yes, we can use the safety pin in the place of switch. That can also work as a switch, right? Great. So I hope you are clear, Rumna. Let me know, please. So here, this is incomplete. This is open circuit. Here the switch is in off position. It is off. And here the bulb will not glow. The current will not flow. I hope you are clear, guys. Please let me know. Please let me know. Great. So now we have two effects of electric current. Do you know what are the two effects of electric current? Tell me, what are the two effects of electric current? There are There are different effects of electric current like heating effect, chemical effect and magnetic effect. So let's talk about the heating effect of electric current. So as we know, current has many effects. Electric current has many effects. Heating, magnetic and chemical, right? So now let's talk about the heating and magnetic effect. So when current is passed through the wire gets heated up. Have you ever seen? Tell me, how many of you have seen your electrical components, your phone, your TV or any electrical gadget, they get heated up when electric current is passed. So now that heat which is produced in the wire, that depends upon the material of the wire, length of the wire and thickness of the wire. And you know this heating effect, it is used in many appliances. Could you please name them? Tell me, what are all those appliances where we use them? We use them in electric heater, iron, stove, geyser, coffee maker, toaster, hairdryer. Many appliances use this heating effect because when the current flows, the electrical energy is used to get converted into heat energy, and that heat energy we use in all these electrical appliances, right? Right, great, very right. Now what is an electric fuse? Tell me. This is one of the component which works on the heating effect of current. It works on heating effect of current, and this electric fuse, it is called a safety device. I hope you know, guys. Quickly listen so that the quiz that we are going to have, you people would do well in that. Hi Uzair, how are you? I am good. So now, according to the heating effect, the electric current, effect of electric current, the wire becomes hot as the current is passed. So when you use this switch, when you use this fuse in your electric circuit, then what happens? If there is excess current, in the circuit, then because of that excess current, this fuse wire will melt, and because of that the circuit will be broken. And because of that your electrical appliance which is connected with this will be saved because of the excessive flow of current, right? No, Menti is going to be there after 5 minutes. All right, I'm just revising the topic so that we can have the Menti quiz. Now this electrical fuse that we have, now it is made up of an alloy, mainly you need to know, and it has a very low melting point. Why low melting point? So that when it is heated up, it melts, and when it melts the circuit is broken. All right, you must be having so many electric fuses at home. But an electric fuse is the safety device. What is that safety device? Let me tell you. For example, this is your circuit. Okay, this is your circuit. Now here is your bulb. Now if there is more amount of current which is flowing here, then because of that excess current, your bulb will get fused. So to save that, what do we do? Before the electrical appliance, we use a fuse wire. This fuse wire will melt itself, and as it melts, it will break down and it will not allow the current to go towards the bulb. Are we clear? So that is what it is. But we have another device which is miniature circuit breaker. Now this miniature circuit breaker, it is used these days instead of fuses. Why? Because you need not replace it. It just shuts down, and look at this. This must be there in your homes. So this just shuts down whenever the circuit has more amount of current, and you can just quickly switch it on after the problem is rectified, right? Right, guys? Now the next effect that we have is the magnetic effect. Can you wait for 5 minutes? Then we will have the Menti quiz, right? In AC, right, Abhishek? Wonderful. So now, in magnetic effect of electric current, like I told you, electric current has heating effect. Likewise, it also has the magnetic effect. Now, how do we get to know that it has magnetic effect? Now, when you put a magnetic compass needle around any electrical circuit, then what happens? The magnetic compass will start deflecting. Okay, the magnetic compass will start deflecting. So that shows that whenever the current is flowing in the circuit, it also produces the magnetic effect. Are you clear? It also produces magnetic field or magnetic effect. Are you clear? Tell me. Hi Aishwarya, I do remember you. Hi, I hope you are doing good. So now, can you make a simple electromagnet? Have you ever made the electromagnet? Tell me. It is a very simple way. You can make the simple temporary magnet. How? You just need a cell. Take a cell which must be there at home. You can take insulated wires, copper wires, okay, and then just wrap around the iron nail. Just wrap around the iron nail. Alright, so now you will see that as you connect both the wires with both the terminals, then what will happen? The current will start flowing, and as the current starts flowing here, because of the current, magnetic effect will be produced, and because of this magnetic effect, this iron nail will get converted into a magnet. Why do we call it an electromagnet? Because you are making the iron substance, you are turning the iron substance into magnet because of the use of electricity, right? You are using electricity to turn iron into magnets, right? Tell me. Now, can you see that? Can you see this? Now now this magnetic effect depends upon the turns of wire. Here we have more wire. Here we have more turns of wire. So because of that, there is more magnetic effect and more pins are getting attracted. Can you see that? More pins are getting attracted. Whereas if you compare it with the other one, it has less turns, less wire. Less wire means less current, and less current means less magnetic effect, and because of less magnetic effect, lesser pins are attracting towards this magnet. Are you clear? What happened, Pranav? Now guys, if you people have any doubt, you people can actually watch my sessions on Unacademy. You can attend my live classes, so that if you have any problem, we can solve that, right? Pranav, do attend my classes. What is the opposite of insulator? It is conductor. Right? Now we use these electromagnets in electric bells, in electric fan, electric motors, electric generators. Have you used this? Have you ever seen this electrical this crane? How many of you have used have seen this crane? Now what happened? We use this magnet which is working with the help of electricity, and this becomes so strong that you can see that it is able to lift a car. So that is what is electromagnet, a magnet which is a temporary magnet, and that is magnetic because of the flow of electricity. All right. Oh great, you have seen Uzair. Great. Yes, Ravidran, I will. So all right. Hi Roshni. Okay. So now if you are clear, now we use this in electromagnets various places, and we have electric bells also, which also works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current, right? So if you people are clear, if you people have revised the topic, should I go for Menti quiz? Tell me, should I go for Menti quiz? Should we? Quickly let me know. Yes, please. Yes. So here is the code for the Menti quiz. Quickly join. Quickly join, guys. Uh, it is 462259. It is 462259. Here you are on the screen. You have quickly join. We are waiting for the players. Faster join. You can go to www.menti.com and then you can join fast. Yes, please, faster. It is 462259. Quickly tell your friends in the group so that others can also join. Quickly. Yes, please. What is the code? 462259. So join, please. We have 12 students, but I want more. Quickly tell your friends. I'll give you 2 minutes. And then we will begin. Okay, we have 13. I need many more. Quickly. Quickly answer. Right. Yes. 16, 17 are there. Great. Now we have, yes. Quickly, I'm reading your messages. Menti quiz code. What is that? 462259. Faster. Should we start? Tell me, should we start? We have 19 students now. Now let's see. Great. I want many more. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Hurry up. You want to on? All right. Not now. Now we have 21 students. Quickly. We have the quiz on electric current and circuits. Faster. Fast. Yes, please, all of you. So we have 22 students. I think we are good to go. Oh, you are rabbit. All right. Questions are not there. You are just joining right now. You're just joining. Let's begin and then we will move on. All right. Others will. Now, inflated means when you fill in the air. Deflated means when the air moves out. That is called deflation. All right. When you fill the air in the balloon, you call it inflated balloon. When you take out the air from that, you call it deflated. Right, Zoya? All right. Let's begin. So say, now, give me a thumbs up. With 3, 2, 1, let's go. So now you have to answer fast to get more points. So let's see who all are answering. So what is an electric current? Tell me. The flow of electrons, electricity moving in one direction, switch that gives power. Who knows the answer? Fast. We have how many students who have answered? Quickly answer. Yes, please. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Right. So the answer is the flow of electrons. Right. Electric current is the flow of electrons. So anyone else who would like to join? Tell your friends, guys. You can share the Menti quiz code. So here this time we have the leaderboard where Roshni, Vinita, Shantanu are the fastest and they have got 990 points. Let's see what happens to the leaderboard now. The second question out of 25 questions that we have, here we go. The next question for you is here. What is a tiny coiled metal wire present inside the bulb called? I just showed you. Do we call it element, conductor, filament, or none of these? It is made up of tungsten. So who knows this? It is made up of tungsten. Hurry up. It is made up of tungsten. What do we call it? Answer fast. Is it element, conductor, filament, or none of these? It is right. It is filament. It is filament. So the answer is filament. Now the next one that we have is the leaderboard here. So in the leaderboard, after 2 questions, we have, who all we have? We have Vinita on top and Sagar, who is the fastest. All right. So who all we have? Ishwarya, Triya, Divya, Anshika, Roshni, Rumna, Sagar, Shantanu, Diya and Vinita. So now the next question that we are having is on your screen. Quickly. It is deflecting, Zoya. That is not deflating. That is deflecting. What you are asking. What is a combination of 2 or more electric cells called? What is a combination of 2 or more electric cells called? Electric circuit, battery, terminals, or none of these? Tell me. What do we call it? We call it a battery, right? That is what the answer is. We call it a battery. Now the next one that we have is the leaderboard. Let's see what happens to the leaderboard now. Now after this question, the leaderboard is here and we have Shantanu the fastest and Vinita still on top. Now the next one that we have is, let's see the question number 4, and it is here. An electric circuit has how many terminals? Tell me. 1, 2, 3 or 4. How many terminals? You know na? What is the name of those terminals? You can also tell that. What are the names of those terminals? Quickly answer. Deflecting means just changing position. Changing position, Zoya. Deflect karna. Alright. So now it is 20 out of 24 have answered. Great. 4, 6, 222, 5, 9. So here is the leaderboard. In the leaderboard we have, look at this. Who is the fastest this time? Shantanu again. And Vinita still remains on top. But we have many children. Mritika, Dikshit, Nikunj. They are there in the leaderboard. Next is question number 5. And here it goes on your lead. Okay, alright. Dash is an electric device which easily closes or opens an electric circuit. What is that? Filament, bulb, switch, cell. Now this one you know, right? This one everybody knows. I hope you all have subscribed to Unacademy YouTube channel. How many of you have subscribed? And please press the bell icon. You know, we have more than 1000 subscribers on our platform. So thank you guys for staying with us. So now it is electric switch, right? It is electric switch, and here we are on the leaderboard with Roshni this time the fastest, but Vinita still stays on top. Next one we have the question number 6, and here it comes on your screen. How many of you are enjoying this Mentimeter quiz? Tell me how many of you are enjoying. A material which allows the electricity to pass through it. What do we call it? Oh, very soon everybody has voted. Wonderful. And the answer is conductor. So let's see who answers fastest this time. It is Mrutika and Dikshit. And Vanita still remains on top. Let's see. And Shantanu also has the same number of points. Oh, great. What a fierce competition we have. Now, next one that we have is question number 7. And the question is on your screen. A material which does not allow electricity to pass through it. So, what do we call it? You know this answer. Please be quick in answering. Conductor, insulator, transistor, none of these. Which does not allow? Tell me. Very good. It is insulator. Which does not allow is insulator, right? It is insulator. And here we have right. Great. Great, great, great. Now the next one we have is quickly next question, question number 8. Here comes a question for you. Now, electrical energy is produced from the dash within the cell. I told you what is there in the cells that converts that energy into the electrical energy. What is that? Faster. So who is answering here? Yes. We have right. Oh, great. The answer is chemicals. It is the chemicals which change this chemical energy into the electrical energy, right? And the leaderboard looks like this now. Oh, we have Navya, we have Shivangi, Dia in the leaderboard. Oh, this time we have Shantanu on top with 7827 points and Shivangi the fastest. And here goes the next question for you. Question number 9. There are many questions, so leaderboard can keep on changing. You just answer, but think before you answer. The electric current in a closed circuit always flows from dash terminal to the dash terminal. Negative to positive, positive to negative, positive to positive, or none of these. Just think. I told you in the class. I just told you 10 minutes back, and the answer is positive to negative, right? It is positive to negative. Wonderful. So now it is the leaderboard here, guys. It is the leaderboard. Now the next one that we have is, yes, next one we have is, let's see, question number 10. Dash is a pathway for the flow of electricity. What do we call it? Receiver, wire, switch, or circuit? Dash is a pathway for the flow of electricity. What is that? Answer fast. Answer fast, guys. The answer is, tell me, how many of you have answered? Quickly. Yes, no, a circuit. The pathway for the flow of electricity is circuit, right? That is a closed continuous pathway. I told you, the continuous conducting pathway. That is, wire is a part of that, but that pathway is called, the complete one is called circuit. And now we have Divya on top with Navya the fastest. Now next one we have is question number 11. So let's have this question. Which of the following is a conductor? Tell me, which of the following is a conductor? Tell me, which of the following is the conductor? Glass, rubber, plastic, copper. Answer. This is simple. This everybody knows. Glass, rubber, plastic, copper. I hope all of you have subscribed to the channel, Unacademy YouTube channel. How many of you? Let me know. How many of you? Very good. The answer is copper. Wonderful. The next question that we have is but before that we have the leaderboard, and in the leaderboard we have oh, this time we have Divya on top. Now Vinita was the fastest. Great. Next question is question number 12. So there are many more questions left. A cell, now listen and then answer. A cell, a conducting wire, bulb, they are used for constructing the electric circuit. But what are we calling them? What do we call them? Consumers, connectors, components, or sources? There is a term which is used. I told you there is a term which is used. Very good, Satish. The answer is right. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. The answer is components. Perfect. The answer is components. We call them components of electric circuit. Now the next one is, oh, here we have, oh, Shivangi was the fastest this time, and there are many new names which are coming in the leaderboard. Who is this Croc? Let me know. Tell me the next one. Question number 13. So we have done half the questions as we had. Hi Umra, how are you doing? Hi Ashmita. Code is right there on the screen, 462259. It is 462259. You can join it. Quickly join. Electrical energy can be changed to dash energy in stoves, toasters, ovens. Very good. The answer is heat, right? So we have the answer heat. Hi Samiksha. How are you doing? Next question we have, but before that we have the leaderboard, and in the leaderboard the positions are again changing, and this time we have Nikunj, who is the fastest along with Roshni, and he is on the top of the leaderboard. And then we have Triya. Next, question number 14. So tell me, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. So how many of you? The flow of electrons is called, this is simple, this is the simplest question which I have asked you. What do we call it? The flow of electrons. Resistance, voltage, current, magnetism. What do we call it? Yes, we call it current, right? We call it current. Great. Now the next one that we have is again the leaderboard. All right. Now the next one we have, what are you writing? Hi, now leaderboard. Nikunj on top. What happened? What happened, Roshni? Now next one is there. All right. Okay. Why is electrical wiring usually covered with a layer of plastic? You must have seen the wires which are covered with plastic to make it pretty, to help electricity to flow through it, or to make it safe, or to add more energy. It is simple. Why do we have a plastic coating on the wires? Tell me. Who knows? Why do we have the plastic coating on the wires? To make it safe, right? Otherwise, what will happen? You might get electric shocks, right? So here we have the leaderboard, and the leaderboard says that Shivangi is the fastest and Nikunj stays on top. Then we have the next question, question number 16. We have 10 more questions, guys. So hurry up. 10 more questions. So what is the unit of current? Like distance has a unit, meter, time has the unit, seconds. What is the unit of current? Is it volt, ampere, joule and ohm? So please think before you answer. You have enough time. You have enough time. So answer it, guys. We have... No, it is not volts. It is for the unit of current is ampere. So that is something new that you people have, I think, come to know. The unit for electric current is not volt, it is ampere. So please note it down. Please note it down. That was a tricky question for you, right? So let's see now, after that tricky question, what happens to the leaderboard. The leaderboard is definitely going to change. So here we have Nikunj on top, then Shivangi. Next question. The next one is here, 17th question. Are you enjoying the quiz? How many of you? Why don't we take Doraemon? All right. Cell is a device. What does it do? Converts chemical energy to electrical energy, electrical to light energy, electrical to magnetic energy, or none of these. So this is something that you must, it is, yes, it is the one which converts the chemical energy to electrical energy. Right, guys? Right. So children, you people are here in the leaderboard, which says Vinita was the fastest this time, and Vinita is getting her position back. All right, Nikunj on top, then Triya, Shivangi, Navya, Divya, Anushka, Sagar. Who is this? Pizza. And then Roshni. Who is Pizza? Tell me, who loves to have pizza? That he or she has named himself or herself pizza. Which mark is necessary on electrical appliances? That tells that your electrical appliance is fit to use. It is it has followed all the necessary like features or points. So which one is that? Which one has the which mark is there on electrical appliances? Is it ISI, EGMARK, FIS, CCI, or CFL? Which one? Very good, Himanshu. Great. Let's see how many of you answer. Oh, we have variety of answers this time, but 12 children out of 25 have answered correctly, and the answer is ISI. Who knows the full form of ISI? Quickly find out the full form of ISI. What is ISI? Then we have the leaderboard with Shivangi the fastest and Nikunj on first position. Next. Question number 19 of 25 is here, and it is right there on your screen. What is a switch? You use switch in the circuits. So what is a switch? A part of the toaster that you plug the wall, an outlet that gives power, or part of the circuit that starts or stops electricity. All right, Himanshu, is it? Tell me the answer to this question. Fast, fast, fast. Quickly. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Very good. 21 out of 26 have answered, and it is a part of circuit that starts or stops the electricity. Right. Now next one that we have. Now the next one that we have, but before that we have to see the leaderboard. And leaderboard says Vinita is the fastest this time. Now not much difference between Nikunj and Vinita. Let's see what happens in the quiz. What happens? Quickly let me know. 20th question. Now 6 more questions. Hurry up. When a circuit has a complete path, okay, electricity flows and motor spins, what type of circuit is this called? Please don't get confused. Is it closed or open? I taught you, I explained you along with the diagram, so you must know. Is it closed or open? There are 2 options only, so answer. Answer, closed or open. We have, right, the answer is, it is closed circuit. The closed circuit has a complete path. All right, and the leaderboard is here, and it looks like, tell me, we have Pizza. Pizza, can I do you please tell your name? May I know your name? Who is Pizza? Now this time again Nikunj is still on top. Now next. Let me know your name, Pizza. Now it is 21st question, and it is the coil of wire in electric heater. We call it component, element, circuit or spring. Have you seen the electric heater which works on the heating effect of electric current? So the coiled wire which is there in the electric heater, what is this called? Component, element, circuit or spring? We call it, what do we call it? Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Answer, guys. Yes. And the answer is right. It is element. Wow. The answer is element. And let's see who all have answered and who is the fastest. Oh. So this time Shantanu was the fastest. Okay. Now the next one that we have. 22nd question. There are just 4 questions left. 4 questions. Why is it unsafe to switch on a bulb with wet hands? You're always recommended that you should have the dry hands if you have to use electrical appliances or if you are switching on or off the switch. So why? If you use the wet hands, then what can happen? Why is it unsafe? The switch will blow off, it can give you a shock, the bulb will get fused or the wires are disconnected. Oh, you're at 11. Okay. So tell me fast. Quickly, the answer is right. It can give you a shock, electric shock. Right. Then we have here in the leaderboard. All right. Okay, Shivangi was the fastest this time. Next one. This is 23rd question. 3 more questions, guys. What is a good conductor of electricity? Right, Vinita? What is a good conductor of electricity? So why do electricians wear gloves made of rubber? Because it is soft. Is it waterproof? It is an insulator, or it is inexpensive? Which one? Why do electricians wear gloves made of rubber? You know what all these terms mean, right? All of you know. So quickly answer. So 22 children have answered already. 22 children have answered already, and the answer is it is an insulator. Oh wow, this time all of you are correct. So please give yourself a very big hand. Give yourself a very big hand. Clap for yourself, because this time all were correct. So let's see who was the fastest. And all right, so the Shivangi was the fastest. Oh, Vinita has regained her first position. Then we have Nikunj, Shivangi, Triya, Roshni, Divya, Shantanu, Krok, Diya and Akshay. Now let's move on to the second last question of the quiz. Just 2 more questions there. Just 2 more questions. What is a fuse? You know it. Is it a safety device, or the part which lights up the bulb, or the negative terminal of the cell, or the positive terminal of the bulb? Hurry up. You have 15 more seconds to go to answer. 20 students have already answered. 21. All right. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Don't write down the answers in the comment section, guys. Others will know. The answer is yes, it is a safety device. It is a safety device which prevents your electrical components from getting damaged, and it works on the heating effect of electric current. Now after this question, oh, we have Nikunj the fastest. Oh, the change in the leaderboard is happening after every question. Now guys, this is the last question. Last question. Are you ready? Tell me, are you ready for it? The last question, here we go. So, the question comes here. Why is tungsten used as a filament in electric bulb? It is non-luminous, it is soft, it has high melting point, or it has low melting point. So now you know this. We also discussed this point that in the electric bulb, for making the filament, we use tungsten because of this reason. Faster, faster, faster. No, no, no. Please don't write down. All right. Let's see who all know. The answer is 3, 2, 1, go. And the answer is it has a high melting point, and that's why it does not break now. It has a high melting point. That's why it is not melting. It just glows and gives the light. Okay, it glows and gives the light. So after this, the leaderboard says that we have Nikunj, who was the fastest, and he is the winner. Second is Shivangi, third is Vinita. So please give him a big round of applause. All of you, please give him the big round of applause. Right? Quickly, quickly, quickly. And guys, dude, this was a Menti quiz. I really had fun along with you. I hope you also had fun. How many of you had fun? Tell me, how many of you had fun? All right. So now we are coming up with many exciting batches. We are coming up with so many things on the Unacademy platform. So please do subscribe. Take the plus subscription. You can also go for Iconic. All right. So here we are. Now guys, all of you, please stay connected, subscribe to Unacademy YouTube channel, alright, and press the bell icon. Alright, so we are having classes on everyday basis, new topics, new teachers, and also the Menti quizzes, which you really like, right? So till then, when we meet next, I'll let you know. So till then, goodbye, have a wonderful day ahead. I'll meet you all in our plus and special classes. All right. So goodbye.